You know the year 1344? 1344 to 1345. And that is 5 hours ago, 9 hours ago. Do you know the 5 minutes just died? That's what I'm supposed to say. Become the whistle. Consciousness did not say what the consciousness wanted to say. But if I try to remember what the consciousness is supposed to say, why don't I pretend that this is inside the movie? Can you imagine if this was real? The computer would stop by now. Where's my cup? Oh, my daughter just made something delicious. Where's mine now? Get Mars! You make a lemon for yourself. Unbelievable. If I don't show it's not nice. My daughter is greedy. She makes something only for herself. Just joking. She, this little girl, just makes something for herself. Lumpia, and she gonna eat. I like to tape it because when she eat it, it's gone. It's like she never make it. But the fantasy of the plate. Keep in mind, the consciousness is still escaping the topic. I get distracted by the food and the whistling too, because I'm climbing up. It is September 11th. Sometimes it's nice to pretend you're illiterate, because when you act too smart, people don't like it. Imagine what I'm supposed to say if I say it. Sometimes some things are better left unsaid. That's the light from the kitchen. White on my neck, white on my neck. I say don't say nothing. Consciousness don't feel like talking. It's not nice things to say. So change the video to something else casual. Be safe. You can imagine what the consciousness did not say. You see the fish in the ocean, the birds. Yeah. My knee. I get a cramp on my knee. I have a funny shoe on. Funny shoe. Sorry, I don't want to put the shoe on your face. But it's just a funny shoe I have on. Yes. So I'm just trying to kill the video, not say what the questions want to say. Questions don't feel like saying it. I don't know. But but this is just me without the consciousness saying something. It's boring to be just me. Consciousness is the mind with things shouting very rude. But it's better like that. I want to drink something. Where's my cup? Give me the cup, mister. So, oh, come on. My daughter, let me taste. So. Tell you what I don't say. Just watch what happened. A couple of hours coming. It's the oldest hours. But this drink will be long gone. Food will be long gone. But when they press play, you can still see like it's still in the same place. The video is not drinking, the body over there is drinking. My daughter is feeding me. Go on. Huh? I got this. What I say I don't want to show. I don't show the name. They put this on the door. So, I don't want to show this, but I end up showing food without showing this. So you can see, this came, my daughter have appetite to eat something, and now the video is eating them talking something. It's better. Trust me. September 11. I have to be careful what I'm saying. It's not about me. It's about 6 hours later. They're gonna use other black girls to imitate me. They really thinking they were 6 hours younger. I was born 9 November in the morning, 12 o'clock. They're born, which is 6 o'clock American time. They're born 6 hours later. They're thinking it is just one chicken. Chicken is just a chicken. Well, if God think we were just chicken, God will not allow the animal to be duplicated. If the animals are duplicating all races, it was Animal Planet. Everything is duplicate. It's to say humans are also supposed to be duplicate. Why? Because the wind have too much space, too much room for many people. I don't say what I have to say. The consciousness did not allow me to say it. No matter what happened, trust me, you will see what I don't say. Something, but I am baby. The next 1 hour, I'm in the classroom, I'm still learning.